Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Rohan Dev, and today I'm going to do an unboxing, or rather unpacking, of my CA final certificate. So I cleared my CA final in November 2019, and almost a year and 3 months later I finally received my certificate. So generally every year ICI conducts a convocation ceremony for all newly qualified chartered accountants based on your membership number, and it's held in your whichever place. Like if you're NRO, then you'll be in Delhi, or depending on there are certain locations where this is held. And but because of the pandemic this year they are sending our certificates home, and so I wanted to just unbox this on camera and share it with you guys. So I've cut the packet in advance just to ease the process. So inside you get this kind of a envelope, and you have your membership certificate. I can't show you the membership number and everything, or maybe I'll just blur it out on YouTube, but so this is my membership certificate, and it really feels very special having this in my hand finally. This is why you work hard all your like 4, 5, 6 years, whatever time it takes, and this certificate is what you are trying to achieve, and having this in my hand is really special. I know like on Twitter and on social media there are a lot of CAs who are kind of disappointed, and rightly so, that they are not being given the certificate by the president of the institute, and like in front of their friends and family and in a convocation, because for most of us this is the only kind of full-time course that we do, and there's no graduation convocation or something. So this is a very like memorable event in everyone's life. But I understand why the institute took this step of sending the certificate home instead of convocation, and I agree with the institute's decision of sending this certificate home, even though it's an unpopular opinion, but still I agree with the institute. But I hope that someday when the COVID situation eases up, we can all like have a convocation, and maybe 1 year or 2 years later, but I hope the institute kind of does a convocation again, and that will be a very special moment for all. So with this certificate you also get kind of a letter from the president. So it just says that there are 3.25 lakh members and 7.5 lakh students in India, and it just highlights ICI's achievement and like scope. So it's a very important day in my life, and I wanted to share it with all of you, and I hope this can be an inspiration for those who are currently studying or pursuing CA. And it takes a lot of hard work to get this, but this is why you are studying. So if you ever feel demotivated, please think of this. And if students are watching, I would try to inspire them by saying that please study hard for this one. I know because of the pandemic there are multiple attempts that have been cancelled, and after that I think now the situation is easing up a little, so you can focus back on your studies. But don't only study just to get this degree, but try and get knowledge. Degree will come automatically. I know it's easy to say now, but definitely once you qualify you'll realize what I'm saying, that there are lots of chartered accountants out there, and to stand out you need to have knowledge. So just study hard and enjoy the, I know it's very boring and kind of lonely that whole phase of studying, but try and enjoy as much as possible and just have fun sometimes. And this is just like, it not only does it remind you of the hard work that you do, but you frame this up and you keep this wherever you are working. Now suppose I'm working from home, so I'll keep this at home, but if I ever have a firm or somewhere, so you keep this framed up, and just this reminds you of the work and dedication that you have been through. And also it is also a kind of responsibility that you are now a member of the institute, so there's a responsibility attached to that. Though I have one gripe with the institute, which my mom pointed out when she saw the certificate, and that's it says this is to certify that Rohan Dev, son of, and then there's my dad's name, and my mom's name is not there. So I hope one day will come when certificates will be issued with both parents' name, because more often than not the mother's contribution towards like education of the child is a lot more, and I wish my mom's name was there. And but anyways, so this is something I'll hold dear the rest of my life, and I would love to frame this up and keep it beside my parents' certificate as well. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. My name is Rohan, and hope you have a wonderful day.